Hi, Judd here. I decided to go ahead and try a whole damn chicken in this thing. Got the smallest one I could find. So that's about 4.5 pounds. And had to wire it on there with some fence wire. And I cut the wings off so they wouldn't flop around. I'll cook those separately some other time. So we'll see how this does. I was also reading up on rotisserie yesterday and said you're supposed to put water in there. Or wine or whatever you want to keep it humid. So this will be interesting. Uh-oh, whole damn thing came down. See if I can reset that. Okay, tied it up again, a bit tighter, and tied it to the bar and got it seated in there better this time. So hopefully, but I mean that is one heavy damn thing. I don't know how this is going to do. This is an experiment, but I'd hate to waste a big chicken. So we'll go again. Off to the races. It's been in there for an hour, and we're going to give it another hour. Boom. Time. Hour. And we're going to spread a little this stuff on it, which is nice. About 15 minutes in, and boy, it's starting to smell good in here. Oh, look at that stuff burning into there. What is that? That's weird. Wow. Okay. Well, it sure is smelling good. Looking pretty interesting. Oh yeah, one other thing. I did it at 400. I probably should have done it at 350, but for force of habit, I left it at 400. Ooh. Half an hour to go. That's more. Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I don't know if this is taking the skin off or what. Maybe you're not supposed to do this until afterwards. Hot in there. Okay. Half an hour to go. Woo! Okay, well I decided to stop it 10 minutes early off of the 2 hours. So it's been in there for actually close to 2 hours because I had 15 minutes in the beginning. Let's have it rotate just so I can show you the pictures. Okay. I'll just give you an idea what it's looking like in there. Now the skin is all blown up. It's like a balloon. Because when I popped the temperature thingy in there, I had to go through it an inch or so before I got to meat. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. Okay, and here's the thermometer. See if I can get it in there. There we go. Okay, and get that around. And you can see we're way over temperature. But I like it well done anyway, and it should be juicy anyway. And we'll have crispy skin. So we'll let that set for a while. I wish I could rotate it at 0 degrees temperature. Anyway, there you go. We'll see what happens when I eat it. And you can see the drippings. Okay. Let's go ahead and yank this out of here. Okay. And there we go. That's what she's looking like. We'll let her sit there for a while. Interesting. This could be interesting. Okay, let's see what we've got with this baby. There's my wires. Obviously, I need to learn a little bit about tying these up for a rotisserie. The special string you get to do that. Ah, good. That was easy. Okay. And unscrew the clamp. jam this clamp in there. Okay, good. Ooh, lots of juices down on the bottom. Nice. Okay. And my knife. Had this for 20, 30 years or something. Good. Okay. Now let's see where we start with this baby. We'll cut right here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, baby. Whoa. Wow. You want to come up. Good. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, baby. Boom. Wow, okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, a little bit dry. I overcooked it. But you saw I overcooked it a long time. But tasty. I gotta get some of that skin and see what that is. Let that come out. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Okay. Put a little more of that sauce on here. This is going to be fine. It's a little bit dry because I overcooked it. And I had it at 400 like I said, which I shouldn't have done. But, damn, that's nice. Oh yeah. Oh, baby. Look at that. Yeah, get some of that skin in there. Baby. That's nice. That's nice. I love this stuff. Boom.
Like, man, Coach J.R., man, receiver coach, he had told me, like, yeah, play at my speed, so I can't try to play at my speed, try to make it be easy for the quarterback, so that's what I try to do.
I think your speed is fast enough.
Yeah, I just try to do what I came out here to do, man, have fun with the teammates.
Good luck rest of the game.
Just shout out to my family, man, shout out to the Turkins out there watching.
Hey, right there. All right, shout out to the Turkins. Back to you guys.
Everybody's watching right now. The way he's playing, he's getting the world's attention.
He's got 130 of New Jersey's 161 total yards right now. Emotional leader, Chris Orr, in the middle. You know, he's banged up at linebacker, and so they go after him today. And they played pretty well. Now. Green 8. Green 8. Go.
surprisingly, we haven't even gotten to halftime yet. We haven't seen a whole lot of Darius Victor, who's their running back for New Jersey.
Everything was predicated off the run game early, and now this is just a little different style of run game. And remember Trey Williams.
Quick pass, Randy Satterfield. Keeps fighting. Good second effort by Satterfield. Gonna pick up 7 yards.
The halfway point, if they're able to get to 5 and 1, but here they'll have to stave off excellent field position for this Houston Gambler squad.
Yummy.
Starting at their own 47-yard line. Mark Johnson. Stalled, backed up. And lines up probably about the same place he was when he was first hit. Colin Hill, 2-yard stop.
Well, he just has not been able to get going today. I believe that his 5th carry now, and he's at 6 yards. As you take a look at the first 5 possessions for Houston, 3 plays, 84 in the end zone. And then it's been punt, 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 punt. Just no rhythm right now offensively.